Welcome to in front of me TCL 30SE, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the home screen and lock screen section. Here just click to the wallpapers, and here we can see these two folders with our static and live wallpapers, what the default ones. Here we can see the our device photos section, so we can select our new wallpaper from the photos or device gallery, previously taken photos, or for example downloaded from the internet. And now just for example we'll go with the default regular wallpapers. Click here, and after that click here for example to this wallpaper, select this one. Here we can see that we'll set this to the home screen. Just click top once just to set this wallpaper on the lock screen, and click here on the right down corner to done. Here we can see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and now we can see here our new device lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just you should hold for a while your device screen, one from the screens, that doesn't matter. And here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper section. Click here, and by the same way just select one from these wallpapers. For example, I'll go with our device gallery. So for example we'll set this one. Just click here to set it to the lock screen on the left down corner, top to down. That's wallpaper applied, and as can you see, we'll just successfully change it again. So that's it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.